Today, join me in the world of innovative wood-splitting tools and ideas, where mechanical power and clever thinking combine to create impressive and unbelievable performances. The V-cutting system mounted on this machine is a prime example of its effectiveness in real-world production. The Petzolato TLA 22 Plus TB1200 is a specialized firewood production line, combining the TLA 22 cutting unit and the TB1200 splitting station, installed by Petzolato in Germany. The V-cutting design ensures precise wood orientation, reduces waste, and increases processing speed, while the synchronously operating splitting station creates a continuous, stable, and highly productive cycle, a standard industrial solution for professional firewood production. Behind every efficient machine lies a remarkable mindset. The Hacky-Pilk 50 is more than just a tool. It's a story of creativity, resourcefulness, and real-world problem-solving. From its design to its operation, the machine reflects intelligent engineering thinking, transforming the challenges of woodworking into a streamlined, efficient, and inspiring process. The engine of the wood splitter is designed to prioritize torque and durability, with sufficient horsepower to maintain a stable splitting force throughout operation. When running, the engine delivers power steadily and smoothly, allowing the splitting wedge to penetrate the wood grain decisively. This balance between horsepower, speed, and load capacity enables the machine to efficiently handle even hard and large logs for extended periods. The all-wood splitter, the ultimate splitter kit from the Redwood series, is a complete system for professional production. The machine incorporates a 24-foot conveyor belt for continuous wood feeding, combined with a disc screen for efficient sawdust separation and wood sorting. Thanks to its integrated design and smooth workflow, this system optimizes productivity, reduces manual labor, and delivers consistent product quality throughout operation. From seemingly obsolete components, a new idea is reborn. A homemade wood-splitting machine, based on the axle and gearbox of a combine harvester, perfectly utilizes the high torque and inherent durability of agricultural equipment. Its robust structure and stable transmission enable the machine to generate powerful splitting force, handling thick logs decisively, demonstrating the ability to intelligently utilize resources to create remarkable practical efficiency. The impact of sawdust in a harsh winter is more severe than you might imagine. As the cold grips every movement, frozen pieces of wood collide with immense force, cracking, sliding, and then exploding in an instant. The cold makes the material brittle and difficult to control, turning each impact into a violent collision. Winter is cruel. Heavy objects break faster, noisily, and more dangerously and unpredictably than ever before. Next, the pile driver with a 450 horsepower engine continues to perform its task, maintaining stable performance throughout the construction process. The power of the engine helps the piles to be driven deep and firmly into the ground, creating a solid foundation for the Calamalang Bridge, ensuring the safety and sustainability of the project. Testing the Uniferous Titan 5340 wood splitter, where power is pushed to its limit. This portable wood splitter with integrated circular saw impresses with its decisive and precise handling of logs up to 53 centimeters thick. Each clean cut, each powerful split demonstrates the perfect combination of intelligent design and practical performance, transforming massive logs into finished products in a short amount of time. And when the demands are pushed to a higher level. Next up is the Hacky Pilk 50 Pro heavy-duty machine tool designed for superior performance. With its robust construction, powerful cutting-splitting system, and continuous operation capability, this machine handles large logs decisively and steadily, perfectly meeting the demanding requirements of professional production. You won't believe the Hacky Pilk 2X MTZ52's wood processing speed. In just moments, the machine cuts and splits continuously with incredible precision, transforming rough logs into finished products with virtually no delay. Its relentless performance, decisive work rhythm, and absolute stability make the Hacky Pilk 2X MTZ52 one of the fastest and most impressive machines in its segment. The Vacula hydraulic wood splitter is a powerful solution for jobs requiring high pressure and stability. Thanks to its robust hydraulic system, the machine generates consistent, decisive splitting force, effectively handling even hard logs and large diameters. Its durable design, smooth operation, and ease of control make Vacula a reliable choice for both home use and professional production. Wow, this wood processing machine is truly a mechanical monster. In the blink of an eye, a solid block of neem wood is subdued, thick layers of wood precisely and coldly sliced. From the raw material, the machine transforms it all into perfect planks for building house partitions. A performance where strength, technique, and daring creativity clash, captivating the viewer. This is truly a clear testament to creativity and the ability to maximize resource utilization. The Multitech 2040 firewood processing machine demonstrates impressive power with a productivity of up to 7 bundles of firewood per hour, transforming raw logs into finished products in a short time. Its efficient design, stable operation, and continuous working capability make this machine an ideal solution for those pursuing high efficiency and sustainable production. When creativity transcends conventional norms, a homemade wood splitter with a 24-sided wedge is clear evidence of the power of bold ideas. The multi-sided wedge design allows the log to be split into multiple sections in a single press, distributing force evenly and decisively along the grain, shortening processing time and delivering amazing results. This is wood splitting at a whole new level. This homemade two-way wood splitter breaks all familiar limitations by allowing splitting force to act in both directions, shortening the work cycle and significantly increasing efficiency. The bold yet effective design allows each log to be processed quickly, decisively, and continuously, a clear testament to the power of creativity and practical mechanical thinking. The Vacula 2 hydraulic wood splitter at Mityoevo clearly demonstrates its power and reliability in real-world working conditions. With its improved hydraulic system, the machine generates a stable and decisive pressing force, quickly processing hard and large logs. Operating smoothly, easy to control, and durable over time, the Vacula 2 proves its ability to work efficiently even in harsh environments, effectively meeting the local demand for continuous wood splitting. The use of professional mechanical equipment, such as the Petzolato VSP 60.60 woodworking machine, represents a significant leap forward in efficiency. Requiring only one operator, the machine integrates both cutting and splitting stations in a single system, allowing for quick and precise processing of large diameter logs. The combination of mechanical power and intelligent design optimizes time, reduces labor, and enhances safety throughout the working process.